All right, you know, I've been understanding something lately that since the DSS or Nigerian government have been holding Nnamdi Kanu captive, they don't want to release him. A man that is innocent of guilt. They can't tell us what he did, but they are holding him. So I'm here to announce that we are not going to support it anymore. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu for us. Releasing Nnamdi Kanu for us. For the Igbos. The Igbos want Nnamdi Kanu. We can't keep oppressing the Igbos and keeping us short in Nigeria. We have had it enough. The Igbos are here to tell you that we want Nnamdi Kanu. We want him back. Release that man. He didn't do anything. What are you locking him for? If he did something, sue him and sentence him. Let us know he's serving his term. Than just for you to be locking him up like that. In a right country, if you are found guilty, they give you a sentence. You shouldn't be held in detention for so long. What do you do that they will be holding you in detention? They have to take your case to court. And if the court said you are free, then you are a free man. We can't keep taking this anymore. The Igbos are standing up once again. The Igbos are standing up. The marginalization to the Igbos has been too much. The oppression to the Igbos has been too much. Listen now, the Kanu. Let's see if all this unknown gunmen will reduce in southeast. We want that man out. We want that man out. You guys should release that man. That is what I'm here to say. I said, man, your boy Anonymous. Don't play.